Sunflower farming is becoming one of the most attractive agribusiness opportunities in Kenya. As the demand for cooking oil continues to increase across the country, the need for locally produced sunflower seeds has also grown significantly. Many farmers are now discovering that sunflower farming can provide a reliable source of income while requiring less water than some traditional crops. The crop is suitable for both small-scale and large-scale farmers, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to venture into commercial agriculture. Kenya consumes a large amount of edible oil every year. However, local production is still not sufficient to meet national demand. This creates a huge opportunity for farmers who can supply sunflower seeds to processors, traders, and manufacturers. Sunflower oil is widely used in homes, hotels, restaurants, and food processing industries. Since demand remains strong throughout the year, farmers who produce quality sunflower seeds often find a ready market for their harvest. One of the main reasons sunflower farming is gaining popularity is its adaptability. The crop can grow in many parts of Kenya and performs reasonably well even in areas that experience moderate drought conditions. Unlike some crops that require heavy rainfall throughout the season, sunflowers can tolerate short dry spells. This characteristic makes them particularly attractive to farmers in semi-arid and drought-prone regions where maize production can be risky. Sunflowers are also known for their relatively short growing cycle. Depending on the variety and growing conditions, the crop usually matures within 3 to 4 months. This allows farmers to generate income more quickly compared to crops that take longer to mature. The shorter production cycle also means farmers can fit sunflower production into different farming schedules and crop rotation programs. The best areas for sunflower farming in Kenya include Trans-Nzoia, Uasin Gishu, Nakuru, Bungoma, Busia, Kisumu, Saida, Homa Bay, Meru, Embu, Machakos, Kitui, Makueni, Baringo, and Laikipia. These regions offer favorable climatic conditions that support healthy crop growth. However, sunflower farming can also succeed in other areas provided soil conditions and rainfall patterns are suitable. Climate plays a crucial role in sunflower production. The crop thrives in warm temperatures ranging between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. It requires moderate rainfall that is well distributed throughout the growing season. While sunflowers can tolerate some drought, adequate moisture during germination, flowering, and seed-filling stages is important for achieving high yields. Excessive rainfall and waterlogging should be avoided because they can lead to poor growth and disease problems. Soil quality is another important factor that influences productivity. Sunflowers grow best in well-drained soils rich in organic matter. Deep soils that allow roots to penetrate easily help the crop access water and nutrients more effectively. A soil pH of approximately 6 to 7.5 is generally considered ideal. Before planting, farmers should conduct soil testing to determine nutrient levels and identify any soil amendments that may be required. Soil testing helps avoid unnecessary fertilizer expenses while ensuring the crop receives the nutrients it needs. Choosing the right sunflower variety can significantly influence profitability. Farmers should always purchase certified seeds from reputable suppliers. Certified seeds offer better germination rates, improved disease resistance, and higher yield potential. Popular sunflower varieties grown in Kenya include Kenya Fedha, Hyson 33, and several modern hybrids developed for commercial production. These varieties are known for good oil content, adaptability, and favorable yields. Land preparation should begin well before planting. The field should be cleared of weeds, bushes, and previous crop residues. Proper plowing helps loosen the soil and improve root development. Harrowing creates a fine seedbed that promotes uniform germination. Farmers should also incorporate well-decomposed manure during land preparation to improve soil fertility and moisture retention. Good land preparation lays the foundation for a successful crop. Timing is critical when planting sunflowers. Farmers should plant at the onset of the rainy season to ensure the crop receives adequate moisture during the early stages of growth. Delayed planting may expose the crop to moisture stress later in the season, reducing yields. In irrigated systems, planting schedules can be adjusted to suit market opportunities and water availability. Proper spacing is necessary for maximizing production. Recommended spacing generally ranges from approximately 75 centimeters between rows and 25 to 30 centimeters between plants. Adequate spacing ensures each plant receives enough sunlight, nutrients, and air circulation. Overcrowding can increase competition for resources and create conditions that favor disease development. Nutrient management is essential for achieving good yields. Although sunflower plants are relatively efficient in nutrient utilization, they still require balanced nutrition for optimal growth. Organic manure can improve soil structure and supply important nutrients. Fertilizers should be applied based on soil test recommendations. Phosphorus is important during root development, while nitrogen supports vegetative growth. Potassium contributes to strong stems and proper seed formation. Farmers who follow appropriate nutrient management practices often achieve better yields and improved oil content. Weed control is another critical aspect of sunflower farming. Weeds compete with crops for sunlight, nutrients, and moisture. If left uncontrolled, weeds can significantly reduce yields. Early weeding is particularly important because young sunflower plants are vulnerable to competition. Farmers can use manual weeding, mechanical cultivation, mulching, or integrated weed management strategies depending on their circumstances. Pest management should be part of every sunflower production plan. Common pests include aphids, cutworms, and armyworms. These pests can damage leaves, stems, and developing flowers. Regular field scouting allows farmers to identify problems early and take corrective action before serious damage occurs. Integrated pest management practices, including proper field sanitation and biological controls where applicable, can help reduce pest populations while minimizing environmental impacts. Bird damage is one of the most common challenges facing sunflower farmers. As seeds mature, birds are attracted to the crop and can cause substantial losses. Farmers often use scarecrows, reflective tapes, bird nets, and regular field monitoring to reduce damage. In some areas, coordinated community efforts help minimize bird pressure across larger farming zones. Diseases can also affect sunflower production if not properly managed. Common diseases include rust, leaf spot, downy mildew, and stem rot. Many disease problems can be reduced through the use of certified seeds, crop rotation, proper spacing, and good field hygiene. Avoiding continuous sunflower cultivation on the same land can help break disease cycles and improve long-term productivity. Irrigation can be beneficial in areas where rainfall is unreliable. Although sunflowers are relatively drought-tolerant, supplemental irrigation during critical growth stages can improve yields considerably. The most important periods for adequate moisture are germination, flowering, and seed development. Farmers should avoid over-irrigation because excessive moisture can increase disease risks and reduce root health. Harvesting should be done at the correct stage to maximize seed quality and minimize losses. Sunflowers are generally ready for harvest when the backs of the flower heads turn brown and the seeds become hard and fully developed. Leaves may also begin drying and turning yellow. Delayed harvesting can increase losses due to bird damage, shattering, and adverse weather conditions. After harvesting, proper post-harvest handling is essential. Flower heads should be dried thoroughly before threshing. Seeds should then be cleaned and dried to safe moisture levels for storage. Proper storage prevents mold growth, pest infestations, and quality deterioration. Farmers who maintain high-quality standards often receive better prices in the market. One of the most important questions potential investors ask is whether sunflower farming is profitable. The answer depends on factors such as management practices, yield levels, production costs, and market prices. On average, production costs per acre may range between approximately 38,000 Kenya shillings and 81,000 Kenya shillings, depending on location and farming methods. Costs typically include land preparation, seed purchase, fertilizer, labor, pest control, and other operational expenses. Yield levels vary widely depending on variety selection, weather conditions, and farm management. Well-managed fields can produce between 800 kilograms and more than 2,000 kilograms per acre. Market prices fluctuate according to demand and supply conditions, but farmers who achieve high yields and secure favorable prices can generate attractive profits. Careful planning and efficient management are therefore critical to financial success. Value addition presents even greater profit opportunities. Instead of selling raw sunflower seeds, entrepreneurs can invest in processing equipment to produce sunflower oil. Cooking oil generally commands a higher market value than raw seeds. In addition, the residue left after oil extraction, commonly known as sunflower cake, is widely used in livestock feed manufacturing. This creates an additional income stream and improves overall profitability. Some farmers also venture into seed production under approved arrangements with seed companies. Producing certified planting seeds can generate premium returns because of the specialized nature of the business. However, seed production requires strict adherence to quality standards and certification requirements. Marketing is a crucial aspect of sunflower farming. Potential buyers include cooking oil processors, animal feed manufacturers, traders, cooperatives, wholesalers, and value-addition enterprises. Establishing market connections before planting can help farmers avoid post-harvest challenges. Farmer groups and cooperatives often provide better bargaining power and access to larger buyers. Record keeping is another important habit for successful sunflower farmers. Maintaining accurate records of expenses, yields, sales, and farming activities allows farmers to evaluate performance and make informed decisions. Good records also help when seeking financing from banks, microfinance institutions, or agricultural development programs. Sunflower farming also contributes positively to environmental sustainability. The crop can be incorporated into crop rotation systems, helping reduce pest and disease pressure while improving soil health. Its deep root system can enhance soil structure and improve water infiltration. These benefits make sunflower cultivation an attractive component of sustainable farming systems. For young people seeking business opportunities in agriculture, sunflower farming offers a promising pathway. The relatively low entry barriers, growing market demand, and opportunities for value addition make it accessible to many aspiring entrepreneurs. With proper planning, training, and dedication, sunflower farming can become a profitable and sustainable enterprise. The future of sunflower farming in Kenya appears bright. Rising demand for edible oils, increasing support for local agricultural production, and growing awareness of agribusiness opportunities continue to drive expansion in the sector. Farmers who embrace modern farming practices, use certified seeds, manage their crops effectively, and explore value addition opportunities are likely to benefit from the growing sunflower value chain. For anyone considering an agricultural venture, sunflower farming deserves serious consideration. It combines manageable production requirements, a relatively short growing cycle, strong market demand, and multiple income opportunities. With careful management and a commitment to quality, sunflower farming can provide a reliable source of income and contribute to the growth of Kenya's agricultural economy for many years to come. /span/p/body